welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. So today I'm going to be attempting this I tried a beauty guru's makeup tutorial situation, and I've really been excited to sit down and attempt some of my favorites. So let's just hop into this video. Guys, I already have anxiety, you know, like I just don't even know how this is gonna work out, but we're gonna try and make it work somehow.
Hey guys, I want to talk to you like this right now. Yeah, this blemish right here, I have to say blemish because it just makes me so much girl hair. It's a blemish. It's actually
Girl, look at mine. Damn.
It's like a wart. So emotional about Christmas.
Girl, I'm emotional about the state of my face right now. You know, it's just.
My God, stop embarrassing me.
Girl, why
let's jump into it because I am not in the mood to deal
Damn.
with this right now. So let's just go ahead and cover that little bitch up. I'm gonna prime my face right now. Oh my God, and I'm using a brand new bottle of this primer. There's something about the first.
Okay, Jaclyn is using Sicily, but I'm gonna be using.
These hoops have got to go for
Girl,
because those are gonna get annoying.
Stop.
So let's just.
Okay, anyway. So Jaclyn is using her Sicily primer, but I'm gonna be using my Kiki Beauty primer because we all know I can't afford Sicily.
Let's just get in there and start beating thy face.
Yes, girl.
Recently, I have been using the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation, and it's like.
So she's using her Vanish Stick Foundation from Hourglass. I'm going to be using my black Opal Stick Foundation in the shade Rich Caramel.
This is my current foundation routine, and honey, you know Mama likes a full coverage look. So
Me too, girl.
I'm gonna grab my Dior Forever, the best foundation in the entire world. I'm gonna do a couple pumps of that at the back of my hand.
What? I mean.
These bracelets. These bracelets.
Okay, so she is using Dior. I'm going to use LA Girl HD Illuminating Foundation in the shade Bronze. Okay, so she basically puts the foundation on the back of her hand, and then she takes her sponge and literally like blends the stick foundation with the cream foundation together. I have never done this in my life, so this should be really interesting. But so far, oh girl, I mean, I'm not mad at it. I mean,
Everything. Like I've been using it to highlight with. I've been using it for my concealer, my foundation, everything. I just love it. I'm gonna grab the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist because this is the way that I have been.
wait girl, wait. Okay, I'm oily, but I'm still gonna go in with some Fix Plus and just try what she did. Even though I did use a very illuminating foundation, I'm just gonna go in, you know, follow the queen's steps, see how this changes my routine. Okay, so I don't have the Kylie concealers. Obviously, I don't have most of what she's gonna be using today, but I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild concealer in medium peach.
Almost feels like paste when it goes on. It does feel a little dry and pasty, so I'm gonna take my beauty sponge and I'm gonna put a little bit of the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Oh my God, I'm crazy.
Spring my sponge with a little bit more Fix Plus before I blend this out. Okay, so she's using a sheer powder to set her face. Oh, your girl is looking dewy right now. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild pressed powder in the shade Golden Tan, and I'm literally just picking that up on my sponge. This could totally ruin my powder. So I'm just gonna pick that up on my sponge, dab it on my skin. Oh, okay, I literally thought it wasn't gonna work, but it seems to be working.
With a sheer power over top. I'm gonna grab the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. I'm gonna go with the first shade right here.
Wait. Girl, you go too fast though. Wait, pause. I'm not done with my face yet. My powder's getting wet, guys. I don't know if this was a good idea or not. But, I mean, I'm just winging it. Okay, so I'm using my NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat powder. This is in the shade Natural. And I'm going to use this to set my under eye area. Girl, I cannot keep up though. Damn. Oh, Father God. Okay, so far, I mean, I don't know how I feel about like spraying so much of Fix Plus on my sponge, considering I'm so oily. But Jaclyn at this point goes off of camera and does her brows, so I'm gonna go off of camera and do my brows as well. See you guys in a bit. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I played myself. It was so much harder to do my brows because I already have foundation on, but anyway, let's just move on. Okay, so for this bright red cream color, I'm gonna take my Switch Beauty Holy Grail flash case, and I'm gonna be using this red shade.
I have no wrinkles in my lids, and I can really see every single thing that I'm doing. That way that cream doesn't settle in any of those lines, and I can really see exactly where I'm placing it. So right now you can see it's all over the lip. I'm gonna bring it up a little bit.
Okay, so the red I'm using is like a pinky based red, but the one she's using is like a really dark red. But we're gonna make this work.
I'm gonna start off by going with the shade Creamsicle right here.
Okay, so she's using her palette,
Brush in number 12.
taking Creamsicle.
Place this right along the upper area where we blended that cream shadow out, just to give it that warmth and make sure that it is looking.
Okay, so now she's going in with Jax.
I used this earlier with like the same red color, so I'm going to just do that instead because I can see where this is going and it's not going to be a good place. So we're just going to go ahead and do this because I know it's going to work.
Wait, we're putting that all over the eye? Okay,
I'm
girl.
going to go back in now with that number 13 brush.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie. This is looking cute. Okay, this is looking cute. So now we're taking Hans. What are we doing with Hans?
A shit ton of pigment, much more than a typical natural hair would. They're also very compacted with bristle, like they're very stiff.
Already, I went too far up on my lid while blending, but we can fix that. I'm just gonna go in with some powder and just kind of erase some of that shadow, you know. Jaclyn, why are you playing me like this, girl?
Happens right now. Will be with us. Okay,
Okay, so I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild concealer and just cut out this lid situation. Okay, so next she's taking Queen from her palette.
on top of that dark matte burgundy shade that I put over here, my brush is no longer wet with Fix Plus. It is just a tiny bit of that gold eyeshadow just to kind of mesh it.
So she's packing on this gold shadow first, and then she goes in with like a greeny gold. So I guess that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so I don't have a greeny gold shade, so I'm gonna go in with this shimmery green color and mix it in with this goldy shimmery color and hopefully get that color. Okay, so I'm gonna cheat because I don't have a loose glitter that's as intense and as pigmented as what she's using. So I'm going to use this Essence Metal Shock shadow in the shade Stars and Stories, and I'm gonna like disperse this on my lid and then go in with a little bit of NYX glitter to kind of mimic what she has going on, if that.
Then I'm going to dip my brush right into that glitter. I have a ton on my brush right there. I'm going to tap off on my hand a little bit the excess, so it's just like that. And then I'm just going to place it really lightly.
Okay, so she's taking Enchanted and just pushing that close to the lash line. Okay. Okay, and then she's taking Diva.
Apply and just blend that out. So I want my lower lash line to be definitely green. I'm gonna pick the first shade up in my palette, which is called In Light. I'm gonna use
Okay, so she's going in with In Light to highlight her inner tear ducts. And then she's going in with another green that is like more shimmery, sort of. So I'm going to be taking my For the Queens palette and taking this green shimmery shade right here. It looks very similar to what she's using. So she literally just like, I want to say she took it on her entire lower lash line. Whew, this is a lot of eyeshadow in my eyeballs right now. So now she's taking a black gel liner and she's literally just lining her lower waterline. Okay, so lashes and mascara is on, and so far you guys, I'm not gonna lie, but the way this forest greeny kind of situation is making my brown eyes pop is just so beautiful. Thank you, Jaclyn.
I'm using the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit, which is
I have that.
perfect shade. I feel the exact same. They both have the same rim. Like, they are the exact same thing. It's not a complete kit, if you ask me. Like, there's been several times in this video where I have had to grab.
Okay, so I usually don't do this, but she's using translucent powder to bake under her cheek. So that's what I'm gonna do. Oh my god, this gives me so much of anxiety. Oh my god, girl. I'm using the Sweet Beauty Matte Bounce just because I know that this is colorless.
Melba blush. I'm going to use the
Okay, I'm just gonna use this blush from my Do Factory palette.
a really, really beautiful blush brush. Like, I only have.
Okay, so while she goes in with a Makeup Forever highlight, I'm going to be using my Jaclyn Champagne Pop. This is the Becca Champagne Splits of Flower Child and Champagne Pop. You guys can't even see that. There we go. She's using like a eyeshadow brush, so I'm just going to use that. Okay, so she's going in with a YSL red lip. I'm going to go in with a Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit red lip. Okay, so Jaclyn set her face with the Morphe Prep and Set. I'm gonna go in with my Kiki Beauty Cool Citrus Setting Spray. Yeah, I will say that I was pleasantly surprised with how good this makeup turned out right now. I mean, I know my skin is not the best, but I really like the way my makeup looks. Even though my skin is so flawed, you guys know I do have a defined cheekbone structure, so I'm really ever doing that baking under the contour area situation. But I might just start, guys, because I mean, look at my face though. Yes, God. So yeah, I'm really happy with the way this turned out. I mean, Jaclyn is the queen. She knew what she was doing, even though this makeup look, it took some perseverance, guys. It really took some perseverance, because I don't know how many layers of product I actually have on my eyelid right now. That is pretty much it for this video, you guys. Comment down below, let me know whose makeup look you guys would like me to recreate next, and I will definitely get onto that. I had so much of fun doing this video today, and I hope you guys have enjoyed. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to slay all day every day with and without makeup, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.